All right, so this Wednesday we are getting to the Iran hostage crisis. So for our directions for the day, our learning target is we can explain what the Iranian hostage crisis was, why it happened, and how it broke America and Iran's relationship for good. So some directions is to complete the warm-up, complete the Iran hostage crisis activity. Make sure you watched the video and the assignment and the 4 stations after, all within the same assignment, and we'll get to that in a second. And then if you need any help, you're watching this video, and talk with your teacher if you still need some help. We're here for you. So the warm-up is, how would you describe America's relationship with Iran from what we've learned so far? So think about the war, after the war, as in World War II, and then the revolution. Did we have a role in it? Did we not have a role in it? How have we been so far? And then you have the Iranian hostage crisis activity. Within the activity, you basically have 2 parts. Part 1 is just like an overview, so we're going to watch this video here. Click the link to get there. It's about 4 minutes long, and you answer these 3 questions. The first one, why did the Iranians storm the embassy and capture the Americans there in Iran? So, like, what were the Iranians mad about? Why did they storm the embassy? And, like, what was their goal? How long did they hold the Americans captive? That one should just be a number, very short. And then what act did they free the captives, and how successful were they? All right, so then the second part of this activity starts below. So you have station 1. You look through this, and then you have these questions. Station 2, some images, some questions. Station 3 is a letter from President Jimmy Carter to Ayatollah Khomeini. Some good questions. And then Operation Eagle Claw. You don't have to look at the images, but they do help with understanding. We've got some vocab supports down there. And then your last 2 questions. As always, if you need any help, feel free to ask your teacher.